Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to my website, English with Steve UK. I'm an English teacher and also a teacher trainer, and I've been teaching for over 20 years. I hope you'll have a look around my website. I'll speak more about my lessons in a moment, but there are lots of other things which you'll find here. Information about exams, about phrasal verbs, idioms, collocations. There's a blog and also a forum in which you can interact and ask each other and me questions. So there's a lot to explore. If you have lessons with me, then my approach is very personalized. They're one-to-one using Zoom, and the first thing I do is to find out what your needs are. I don't have a set course. So I find out your level and what you want to achieve, and we go from there. I usually use a series of books called Cutting Edge. This is Cutting Edge Advanced, but there are Cutting Edge books for beginners, elementary, pre-intermediate, intermediate, and upper intermediate, and again, advanced. And for proficiency users, if you want to achieve proficiency, my favorite book is Objective Proficiency. Now, in addition to that, there are also other books which I use quite often. They're all Cambridge advanced books, English vocabulary in use, English verbs in use, collocations, and a favorite of many, idioms. So we decide what your level of English is and what you want to achieve. And of course, you may have more specific needs. You may want to study business English. You may want to work towards an exam, towards a Cambridge exam, else. You tell me what you'd like to do. Okay? So, I hope you'll subscribe to the website. I hope to see you for lessons. And I really do hope that you'll join the forum and contribute. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Okay. Bye for now. Take care.